Today we will learn construction vehicles. Ooh, it's an excavator. Oh, it's a bulldozer. It's a crane. It's a cement mixer. It's a dump truck. It's a road roller. It's a loader. It's a backhoe loader. Ow! It's a forklift. It's a tower crane. It's a motor grader. It's a paver.
Great job! You learned construction vehicles. See you next time.